So, you are ready to part ways with Koho. Maybe you found a better deal, or perhaps you're simply tired of their services. Whatever the reason, breaking up is never easy, especially when it involves finances. But don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of canceling your Koho account. Let's dive in. First things first, let's talk about what Koho actually is. For those of you who are new to the financial tech scene, Koho is a prepaid Visa card that offers cashback rewards, savings goals, and other financial perks. It's a popular choice for many, but like any relationship, sometimes things just don't work out. Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty of canceling your account, let's address a common concern. What happens to your money? Good question. To avoid any surprises, it's crucial to transfer any remaining balance to another account before initiating the cancellation process. Koho typically provides options to transfer funds to your linked bank account. Okay, let's get down to business. How do you actually cancel your Koho account? Well, unfortunately, Koho doesn't make it the easiest process. There's no dedicated cancel account button. Instead, you'll need to reach out to their customer support team. Here's what you need to do. Gather your information, have your Koho account details, including your account number and any relevant personal information, ready. Contact Koho support. You can usually find their contact information on their website or app. Most likely, you'll have the option to contact them via email or phone. Clearly state your intention. When you get in touch with customer support, be clear and concise about your desire to cancel your account. Confirm details. The customer service representative might ask you to confirm some details to verify your identity. Request account closure. Once your identity is verified, politely request the closure of your Koho account. Confirm cancellation. Ask the representative to confirm the cancellation and provide you with a cancellation confirmation number or email. It's important to note that the cancellation process might take a few business days to complete. During this time, it's advisable to keep an eye on your account for any unusual activity. While canceling your Koho account might seem like a hassle, it's essential to take control of your financial situation. Remember, there are plenty of other financial options out there, so don't be afraid to explore alternatives that better suit your needs. And there you have it. Canceling your Koho account might not be the most thrilling experience, but with these steps, you'll be well on your way to financial freedom. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.